advised that there's a fire general aid.
50 to me. We want to advise. Go ahead, 50. Go ahead, 50. Activities for general aid buses at the corner of Grubb and Devon. Across from the school, there's fire activity. It's blocking Devon Road between Grubb and Valley. So you guys not going to be able to get in transfer? I'm sorry, you all crashed up.
We cannot get into transfer.
Can you go around? Clearly? Yeah. There's other transfer buses coming in. They will not be able to get in on 7 between Grubb and Valley. They're going to have to come up a different way. Okay, 10 for 32, 35, 4, 33. You guys copy that? 35 copies. Thank you. Approach carefully. There's a lot of activity. Sean behind it. I'm good. Thank you.
Alrighty. Be creative here. This is a light.
32 made it to transfer. You're already in?
Yeah, there's no homework. This is just math. I just did all of them.
You just go sit there, look at the truck.
Be careful, you guys, with all the activity.
Hold on, guys. I gotta pop a curb.